Kirvesmiehentie 4 in Kerava, and staircase B is elevators brand new, and I did get original elevator filmed. In 1989 and machine in 2020. B1 in the 0442, or shaped by Valmet Otis, maintained by, modernized by Onelift. This building has Kone space later, but I also got the original 1981 Kone visitors later filmed. This building has some similar smart elevators, but I will film them later. I got inside. 4 so 325 kilograms, and one rack is enough. Expected bulky ones maintained by Onelift, or similar actually. Strange that it's not maintained by Onelift. Even if it's brand new, it's completed in December 2020. 6 months ago. Basement. I'm not going to film the staircase A. It's similar. That's